So Samsung is adding actually a really interesting new feature into their devices. So I believe this will be launching on Galaxy S21 devices, only in South Korea apparently, but I'm pretty sure this feature should trickle out to other devices and also to other regions as well. Well, because it wouldn't really make sense that that wouldn't happen. And basically what this new feature is, it will be able to just hide your personal data. So basically, you're going to be able to take your phone and you're going to be able to switch it into a mode where you're basically hiding all of your personal data, like pictures, documents, even applications and stuff. And that is super useful in, today's time, because who knows what kind of pictures you have on your phone. You may have like a crypto wallet on your phone, two-factor authentication, a lot of personal data. I mean, banking, everything is on our devices these years, and basically these years. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, and the thing is, obviously, as any electronic, these things do break. They do need to go in to get serviced, repaired by technicians, and we have had many stories throughout the years. A few from Apple's Genius Bar technicians as well, because obviously those will get more coverage. Of some technicians that are bad apples, and they get your phone or whatever electronic device in for repair, and they do look at the personal data. Which obviously is not cool. And I can actually tell you from firsthand experience, I actually worked as a repair technician for a little bit, and of course there are bad apples that will look at data and be creepy and whatever, but when you're fixing devices, usually you do see some stuff when you're not looking for it. It just happens as you're like fixing the device, right? So being able to hide all of this with a feature would be really great. I honestly don't know why this hasn't been a thing yet. Obviously, it's a little bit complex because you need to hide all the like pictures, documents, apps, everything like that, and then you have to actually keep pretty much most or the entire system untouched, so the technicians can actually test if the device works properly, right? So this is a super killer new feature. I would love to have it on my phone. I'm pretty sure it's not going to come to my old S8, but this is really great. I hope this just becomes the norm, and most new phones just get this option, this feature. If Windows got something like this, because to my knowledge it does not, it would be great. However, who knows how exactly it works. I think Samsung encrypts your data by default, at least in some sort of way. I'm not exactly sure, but doesn't really matter how it works. If it works, it works, and if it works, it's great.